So this is the video about how you get a fucking auto second round so that you guys never ask me ever again. You just bust out the spreadsheet in the middle of a round and figure it out. First I'll explain how you use the spreadsheet, in case you're a retard. Well, first of all, you can't use any of these. All these are like preset and locked because I don't trust you plebeians to actually use it. So instead you use this one for testing. And you can see you use the drop down, you set it to whatever. Like okay, you're probably not going to get SMG kills, but say you get a pistol kill. Get 4 of them. Or 3. Whatever. You can see it sets the money amount to what it should be. You can see it adds up the total amount of money you have. Very fucking simple. You just do that for any of these fucking things. The only reason it includes things like SMGs and the AWP is just in case for some reason you want to calculate how much money you have on a random round in the game. You can also just type in how much money you have for the start. Should always full save pistol round. There's never a reason to buy anything pistol round. It's just retarded. So first, looking through here, the color coding. Basically, obviously you can't plant the bomb as a counter-terrorist, so But you also can't pick up hostage or any of this shit as a terrorist, so it's colored blue. Any of these that work for both sides are just white. Color coding down here. Light green means you can buy an auto. Dark green means you can buy an auto and armor. And this is the pretty much mythical magenta. And that means that you can buy not 1 but 2 autos. Still waiting for this to happen. Come so close. But now I'm going to go through some of the fucking methods as to how to get the auto second round. Start with this one is the best one, the AFK method. You don't actually have to be AFK, but you can be, which is why it's so cool. So it only works if you're on a hostage map, which is the best type of map, so obviously that's probably going to happen more likely than not. And as you can see, you just have to have your teammates pick up the hostages and then kill all the enemies, and that's it. You'll have enough for an auto. Now in general, as a CT on a hostage map, you'll get so much fucking money. Just ridiculous. As evidence, here is a clip where 4 of us bought an auto after pistol round with no knives among any of us. We only afforded it because we picked up both hostages, and the people that bought armor like an idiot actually got kills, so it kind of balanced out. I'll insert that video right here.
If you throw a molly at the house, it'll put all your money in an investment fund.
My Roth IRA has never been stronger.
Shit didn't go too.
One down. 4 to go. 4 down.
Get hostage, get hostage.
Get the other one. Let's go!
Look at this bank. We can buy 4 auto snipers. 4 auto snipers. 4 auto snipers. 4 auto snipers.
Armor, bro.
All the snipers.
I see 2. I see 3. Do we see a 4th? Yes, I do. Yeah.
Armor, bro.
Alright, this is the most standard one, assuming you're playing on just a normal diffuse map and you're just going for a knife kill pistol round, which is a pretty standard play. It's what most people do. Basically, you just get a knife kill, and then you let your teammates kill all the rest of them, and then boom, you can afford an auto. This 3K bomb boom, it's actually only applicable if you're a terrorist, and for some reason the last guy doesn't die trying to get the bomb. This has happened once. It's in a video, one of the autoism videos. But basically, you just get 3 kills, you don't buy armor, and then you just fucking let the bomb go off. This one, I don't recall actually ever happening. Maybe it's happened to somebody else, but I don't know. I don't really remember ever just getting a 4K without armor, and then just boom, you have enough money. I guess it could happen, but I've never seen it. So if for some reason you buy armor, like an absolute Neanderthal, you have to get 4 pistol kills, and then you can just plant the bomb, and then boom. Assuming you win, which, I mean, obviously you should probably win. If you get 4 fucking kills, you'll have enough for an auto. But really what you should be learning from this is that you don't ever want to buy armor pistol round. Like, it's just stupid. In order to lose and still be able to buy an auto on a normal defuse map, what you have to do is get a knife kill. Then if the bomb is planted, you make more money than if, when you lose. So you have to end up having that happen. And then, oh yeah, I didn't really say this, but the loss bonus starts at 500. So just always set it to 1 for when the round starts. Alright, now to the spicy boys, which have yet to happen, despite getting pretty fucking close. So, let's start with the double auto hostage. This one actually I haven't ever had get that close. So, pistol round, if you win by rescuing a hostage, after you have, and it has to be you rescuing the hostage, after you have gotten 2 knife kills and a pistol kill, and obviously this is a bit messy here. So what this is right here is that you have to have your teammate pick up a hostage, bring it to the rescue zone, die, then you pick up a hostage, rescue it, pick up their hostage, and rescue that. And then you have to do that before killing the last person, so it's probably not going to happen. That one's pretty gay. This one happened pretty fucking close, though. I'll just play the clip right now.
Guys, you better get 2.
2 knives?
Yeah, he got 3 knives.
3!
Oh, that's some
What?
money! Boom, you see that? I should have just fucking ran at that asshole with my knife out. I could have got it. He was reloading. Could have fucking made it. Then I would have been able to do the double auto meme. That's the god tier. That's what we're all shooting for. Now we're gonna look at these special cases. These 2 are just for fun. Like, they can't ever happen, really. But fuck. Oh fuck! Look at that. You can get max money, dude. Oh yeah. So, one thing you have to do is get a knife ace, which isn't too hard, that happens every day, right? You have to pick up a hostage, so does a teammate. Then you have to run them, to the rescue zone. Then your teammate has to die so that you can rescue the hostage after you've killed all the enemies. So you have to knife the last guy before crossing the fucking line. And then after that, you have to pick up the other hostage and then rescue that. But then you'll have max money, so I think it's worth it. The max money you can get on a defuse is actually pretty fucking piss poor. Like, it's pretty sad, really. You have to plant the bomb. You have to get a knife ace. And you have a full save, and that's it. It's like so simple, but look how poor you are. Like, you can buy 2 autos, sure, but look at that dude. You can buy 3. Oh yeah, I guess I'll put this URL in the fucking description.